Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Ford Focus oil. First, gather your essential tools: a 12mm wrench, a new oil filter, and 5 quarts of the correct engine oil. Make sure your engine is warm, but not hot, for the best oil drainage. Park your vehicle on a level surface and engage the parking brake for safety. Finally, locate the oil drain plug and the oil filter. Now, let's drain the old oil. Position your drain pan directly under the oil drain plug. Using a 12mm wrench, carefully remove the plug. Be ready for the oil to flow out quickly. Allow all the old, dirty oil to completely drain into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once drained, reinstall the drain plug securely, but remember not to over-tighten it. Next, we'll replace the oil filter. Move your drain pan under the oil filter housing. Unscrew the old filter counterclockwise. It might be tight, so a filter wrench can help. Once removed, apply a thin layer of new engine oil to the rubber gasket of your new filter. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it an additional 3/4 of a turn. Finally, let's add the new oil. Locate the oil fill cap on top of your engine and remove it. Carefully pour the recommended 5 quarts of new engine oil into the fill port. Wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the level using the dipstick. Start the engine briefly to circulate the oil, then turn it off and recheck the dipstick. Ensure there are no leaks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.